Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make soap juice. To begin, you will need just a few simple items. First, grab 1 standard bar of soap, ideally weighing around 5 ounces. Next, measure out 4 cups of clean water. Finally, have 1 tablespoon of vegetable glycerin ready. These basic components are all you need to create your very own homemade liquid soap solution, perfect for various household uses. Now, let's prepare the soap. Carefully grate the entire bar of soap into small, fine shavings. This helps it dissolve much faster. Transfer these soap shavings into a medium-sized saucepan. Pour in the 4 cups of water. Place the saucepan on your stovetop over medium-low heat, stirring continuously. Keep stirring until all the soap completely dissolves, forming a smooth, uniform liquid. This usually takes about 10 to 15 minutes. Once your soap has fully dissolved and the mixture is smooth, remove the saucepan from the heat. This is the perfect moment to add your 1 tablespoon of glycerin. Stir it in thoroughly. Glycerin helps to thicken the solution and adds moisturizing properties. Now, simply let the mixture cool down completely. This cooling process can take several hours, and as it cools, the soap juice will naturally thicken to a more usable consistency. After your soap juice has cooled and thickened, it's ready for storage. Carefully pour the finished product into a clean, airtight container, such as a pump bottle or a jar. Store it in a cool, dark place to maintain its quality for up to 2 months. This homemade solution is incredibly versatile. You can use it for washing your hands, tackling light household cleaning tasks, or even as a gentle pretreatment for laundry.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.